everyone, my name is Komal Kailas Suryavanshi. So today's our Viva topic is main method in Java. So in Java, main method is very important. The Java main method is usually the first method in our Java program. We start programming Java because it's entry point for executing Java program in Java main method. Then we talk about the syntax of main Java method. So the syntax of Java main method is public static void main strings and in bracket string args. Then what is public? So public is a access specifier. Then static is a keyword. Then void is a return type. Then public static void main is a main method in Java. Then string args there is array string type. So we discuss one by one main method. So first we talk about public. So public is an access specifier. We should have public keyword before the main method that the JVM also identified the execution of the program. If we use private, protected and default before the main method, so it will not visible to JVM. So public access specifier is everywhere within the class, outside the class, within the package and outside the package. So this is the public access specifier. Then we talk about static. So static is a keyword. When we use static, we don't need to create an object of the class method anyone. So this is the static keyword in main method in Java. Then we talk about public static void. So void is a return type. Void means every method has the return type. Then void keyword acknowledges the compiler that main method does not return any value. So this is the void return type. Then we talk about the main method. It is the default signatures what is predefined in the JVM. JVM execute a program line by line through main method. So that is the importance of main method. Then we talk about string args. So this is the string type, access as string type. Then in string args, we main method also want to some parameters. So in string we can access the parameters and execute program. So that is the importance of string array types. Then we talk about some questions on a main method in Java. So our first question is, can we execute a Java program without main method? So the answer is yes. We can execute a Java program without the main method by using a static block. So static block in Java is a group of statement that gets executed only once when the class is loaded into the memory by class loader. It is also known as static initializations and it gets into a stack memory. So that is our first question. Then our second question is, what happen if the main method is written without string array? So the program will compile but doesn't work, means does not run without string parameters, because Java will not recognize the main method. Remember, JVM always looks for the main method with a string type array as a parameter. So this is the all about we learn about main method in Java. So there is public static void main string array args. It is the importance of the Java main method. Thank you so much, guys.